In the world of plants, nature's harsh rule of dog eat dog has just come true in an astonishingly literal sense. It is a fact that, over the years, numerous plants have evolved to defend themselves in creative manners. But never before were any plants proven to adapt this unique method, turning caterpillars to cannibalism. This strategy of food stressing their enemies is successful as the caterpillars are left with no choice but to eat each other. However, until the publication of this study, scientists did not suspect that some plants' defensive mechanisms could lead to such a sophisticated strategy at all. It was common knowledge that when a plant detects harm from an insect, its chemicals are released in response. These substances contaminate the foliage taste, which scientists knew would greatly distress caterpillars that prey on these plants. They also knew that in the face of starvation, many herbivorous insects would choose to devour one another. But could these concepts be in correlation with one another? To answer this question, researchers observed a volatile organic compound called methyl jasmonate, and particularly its stimulant effect in inducing chemical resistance in tomato plants. They first arranged an array of plastic containers, each occupied by 8 caterpillars that were randomly selected. Then, each arena had placed 10 tomato plants as the caterpillar's only natural source of nourishment. Crucially, scientists sprayed this vegetation beforehand with marked proportions of either a control substance or methyl jasmonate. Left with distasteful foliage, the caterpillars were forced to desperate measures. For those beset with hostile plants of concentrated methyl jasmonate, it was clear that a normal diet was out of the question. And like desperate characters in a cartoon island hallucination, fellow caterpillars became appealing steak dinners. After more than 6 days, the results were definitive. Out of the 8 caterpillars, only 1 or 2 remains.